buy your basic equipment. So I'm gonna tell you here the basic stuff that you need if you work as an event technician, right? I don't want to go more in depth on like a sound engineer, a lighting engineer, a match guy, a tour manager. No, I'm just gonna give you the basic tools that everyone that works in this business needs. A laptop, a Mac or PC, it's up to you. I prefer Mac, but that's all about you. PPE equipment. That's something really important, guy. Especially if you work on this business, you need this stuff. First things, AVs, safety helmet, gloves, steel toe trainer. You can buy the normal steel toe or you can buy also the trainer. It's up to you. But I suggest the trainers, especially if you stay up for long hours. It's good to have proper good shoes. LED torch, that's a must to have because we work always in the dark most of the time, so make sure that you have got proper torch with you. What's on your pelly case? I'm gonna show you what is in my pelly case, what I use in my bag on my day-to-day job. This time I'm gonna show you what I've got in my pelly case. So normally, as you will see, I've got two pelly case. So actually I've got three pelly case. So this is one pelly case. They are not proper pelly case. They are like kind of the same things of a pelly case, but it's another brand. So I've got this and the small one. So this is what I normally carry with me when I do my tour, let's say in this case. But normally I carry just this one with me. And I will show you what I've got inside this bag. So you can see on this side how is so I've got kind of like a divider. You can see on this camera here. This is like a 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞 divider that I bought. And in here, as you can see, I've got the proper like pelly case one with different stuff. I've got also kind of like a LED on all around here, just in case I need a bit of light. Right, so I'm gonna show you what I've got on this. So let's start from this side. So I've got this is a pouch with a Cat5 tester. I've got just a normal Cat5 tester, just to test like all different cable and all the stuff that I normally use when I've got Cat5. It's quite handy sometimes. Barrel Cat5 is something that can be always useful. Oh, as you can see, I've got like my kind of like a name everywhere, just to make sure that I've got always my stuff. And after I have got another pouch with different kind of tools inside. So yeah, like screwdriver and yeah, all this kind of stuff. Normal things that can be always useful when you need to do something, like fix stuff last minute. And actually, let's wait for this. I've got just like headlights that is always good to have during the rig stuff. Just put on the front and that's it. Quite handy. I've got a normal easy bearing tester, nothing really complicated, nice and easy, just to test XLR and jack if I need to. Actually, I'm thinking to buy a proper one to test also like a speak-on cable, but I'm gonna buy something next week maybe. I have got a passive XLR splitter. I use these most of the time when we need to do some broadcast stuff. So let's say like a normal conference, and I've got more than one guy coming with the camera, and they need to feed from my desk. I just send one input to this one, actually one output from my desk to this one, and they will have the same things. I've got spare battery of always AA, just a packet just in case. Power tester, something that can be useful to test the power. This is a proper UK one because I live in UK, so the main job is in UK. Tape, normal black tape. I've got yellow tape. Yeah, I carry with me always like a black gaffer just in case, but most of the time I find that one on site, but it's something that I carry with me because I use this bag also when I do my tour stuff. So I just add a few things in, like a normal different color of gaffer tape, like green or yellow, if I need to just mark something on the floor. I've got my headphone, so I use this Sony one. They're pretty good. They are not much expensive. That's the MD series. I don't know if you can see. It's quite handy headphone, pretty good. I found really handy when I need to listen to something. This is like something that saved always my life. This is it's like a splitter for speaker cable. Yeah, if you need to do, I don't know, like front and back for delay in like in a small conference, it's quite handy to don't run all the cable around and just run the two cable on the back where is the amp linked together. I've got just one output through this one. I've got my laser here just when I need to measurement something, quite handy to do delay stuff. Oh yeah, so I've got this this is a gift that actually I received a few months ago. Yeah, I think that was for Christmas or after Christmas, I don't remember, but yeah, this is 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 mic. It's a proper microphone for measurement. It's a really good mic, and I use this one with my Focusrite. I've got Scarlett 2.1, I don't remember the name, but yeah, I'm using to record this is on the other side. And after I have got, as you can see in here, small bag, nothing really with the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬. This is the one with the cable and everything, really handy. I've got a small loom for the 𝐦𝐸, so just a normal cable. Yeah, and I've got like normal RCA 3.5. Yeah, a few of these adapter, female to female, male to male. Always handy to have some of this stuff. A barrel adapter for the speaker cable. Another adapter. Yeah, bunch of like XLR jack. Oh yeah, this is something that is quite handy sometimes. I've been using this one actually 2 times, because sometimes when you have got a backup laptop and a primary machine, sometimes you have got like a normal clicker to click through the slide, and well, I use this one because I can split the signal to the laptop, and it works quite good, so it's quite handy. That's what is on this bag. I've got another small bag where I've got all my video adapter, so I do quite a lot corporate stuff, so it's always handy to have got like a DVI to HDMI. I've got a few old Mac adapter just in case. I've got like another one that is light port to HDMI, you never know, can be always good. Yeah, small adapter like this, DVI to DVI, it's quite handy to have. And that's what is on this one. Funny things, I've got always with me a small 4-way, just in case something happen. Well, it's always I've got like a plan, so yeah, it's always good to have this with me. Other tape, and on the top, on this side, in here, I've got different things useful. So on the top in here, I've got my in-ear protection. Show you on this camera. They are really handy when you do like stuff with the DJ and stuff, left and right, nice and easy. These are from Axe, is quite good. I've got lighting cable for like iPhone or iPad charger. I've got my personal earpiece for Motorola radio, the one with the two pin. This side in here I've got lights, normal lights, quite handy. Always handy to have lights. I've got I think that this is 4000 milliamperes, like a normal charger, external charger. USB A to a USB-B cable. 9 volts. Always good. I've got one of these. Always for microphone. I've got an 32 gigabyte small card. Always handy. On this side I've got my Leatherman. Always good to have one of these. Nice. It's like a small first AD kit, like normal stuff that you might will need if something is gonna happen, but yeah, always handy. Something always handy to have. That's the same things. I've got Lanyard. That's something that can be useful if you have got parts or something you want to use it. Oh yeah, so this is kind of like a strip. I normally use this one when I've got a headset mic, because it's handy to like literally tape actually the headphone on the face, especially if it's like a theater thing, so musical or something. It's always nice. I've got one of these on the case just in case something happen. Yeah, I've got like a lanyard with a Sharpie, 3 different color, the one that I use most of the time. I've got another Sharpie here, and I've got a pen that I use for the touch screen when I've got like a, I don't know, Yamaha desk or 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿 desk that I've got the touch screen. That's it. What I've got my Peli case that I normally use every show that I do, especially as a sound guy when I do corporate stuff. Yeah, but mainly for corporate stuff. I use the same bag also when I do my touring things. I add inside a few things that I know that I will need. I take out like all the video adapter. Yeah, I take with me always the 𝐜𝐸 tester, because especially with the desk that I've got, it's always nice to, if something doesn't work, to test the 𝐜𝐸. The small adapter always with me.